Real quick before this video starts, go check out Salty Captain and use my link to get 15% off on all their products. Well, it's time to start the respray and paint patching and all that of the hood and all its glory of everything, because literally the hood is the only thing that has any imperfections on it. So went and got with IPD and ordered the replacement graphics for just the hood. So we got to get this thing taken off, draw out the rivets, get the trim pieces out of there, get that bracket taken off, fire extinguisher off that, and start sanding this thing off. Got to get the graphic obviously taken off of here, and we'll start prepping it for paint. So let's check it out. Kind of an odd color transformation, but what y'all think about the new paint job on the blue hood? All right, here we go. Got a little sanding to do, smooth up some of these spots. Warnings. Made in Japan. Alright, time for the big girl. Holy crap. Jeez. Look at this. That's ridiculous. What the paint does that. It's almost like they did no prep work to the hoods before they sprayed them. It's crazy. There's the remnants of this. That really didn't take much to get all this off, to be honest. Still gotta get in here and get all this, but it's all stripped. I mean, that's crazy how the paint is on these. It's very shocking that the paint on the hull does not come off the way it does on this hood. The prep work for these is, I mean, I'm sure all y'all know about this, how bad they are. So, but now we see where we gotta work, what we gotta fix. Got a few little cracks on that spot, a little scratch right there. I think right here on the edge, gotta rework that. And that's just about all that has to be repaired on this to have it ready to be sprayed. So, heck yeah. All right, well, got all the work done and the paint on it and everything. So here's the new hood. I will say new hood, the new sprayed hood. I will say I've already sat up next to it, and you can probably tell just from looking at it right now. It looks like it's a little bit lighter than the original blue. I'll get it sat on here, and then y'all can kind of see what I'm talking about. All right, so you can kind of see what I'm talking about now. And a lot of it has to do with the angle as well. I mean, let's see, like right here, it don't look much different. But when you're up here looking down on it, it's definitely a lot brighter. I'll use one of my lights real quick. You can kind of see the difference. We tried as best we could to try to match it, and it's just a little different, but still looks amazing. It's super clean. We've got to put everything back together. I'm gonna smoke those out right there and then install all the parts. And then obviously I got the new graphics right here. So there it is. And another thing I've noticed is the white in this is a little bit brighter than the white down low. So we may have an issue with the transition from here to here. I'm probably gonna take this off and have it match directly up here. And then obviously this will be a little different, but it won't be as obvious when this matches the white on here, so. All right, now just got to rivet the that piece on there, and I can put the rubber piece on here, but I want to black out the inside of this first. Got that riveted in now. Ended up using some different rivets, but that's installed. So pretty much now, paint these little areas. That's a lot of tape.
There we go.
So that's everything. Even got the little rubber pieces put back on here. So I'll go ahead and stab it on there. Okay, we got it done. It's complete, ready to ride and everything. I will say, I did order these from IPD Graphics, and this white that comes from factory is still different from this. This is a little more white, and this has almost got like a pearl in it. So it doesn't look the exact same, but I mean, hey, looks pretty damn good to me. Looks a heck of a lot better than it did. That's it. Hope y'all enjoyed it, and we'll see y'all on the next one.